So a great way to save money on home interior pieces is thrifting them, guys, and making them over. So the first one I'm going to show you is how to thrift a vase. So this vase, as you can see, was beautifully hand painted by someone, but we're going to switch it up to more my style. So I picked up this super cheap paint, one from the Dollar Tree and one from Michael's, and we're going to give this a couple coats of each paint, and you can mix this to your liking. There really is no specific way to do this. You could do it to any color that you like. Because I did this more of like a fall look at the time, I chose brown colors, but you can do this in white, beige, grays, black, whatever your home interior design style is. So I would use a little foam brush. You can pick this up at the Dollar Tree to save yourself tons of money and just keep applying that. All right, so to add some texture to this vase, I grabbed some spackle that I actually found from the Dollar Tree. And I'm just gonna apply this generously all over the vase. I really like this look because it just gives your vase or whatever object that you're trying to make over a really nice aged look, and it gives it a lot more texture. So it kind of gives it that look that this is a vase that's been around for generations and it's antique. So this is a great way to DIY it and save yourself a ton of money because real aged vases are a lot of money. So once you're done with the spackle, you're then going to go ahead and you have to paint over it again. So have fun with this. Apply a generous amount to make sure that you cover all of the white residue from the spackle. And yeah, that's all you're going to do next. So here I'm just mixing the colors because to my eye and to my liking, it makes the vase look less DIY and more authentic. So I tend to mix colors just to make it look more that I bought it instead of I painted it. So to give it an even more aged look, again, this is in layers, so make sure you have fun doing this and put something entertaining on in the background. I took some dirt from my backyard, put it in a cup, and we're just gonna apply this all over. And as soon as your paint has dried, you can be a little bit rough with it, and you wanna make sure you place it in every single spot of your vase. Do not forget the top and the bottom part because I have tended to do that in the past. So you can skip this step, it's up to you, but for me, I wanted to paint over it again, so I grabbed a little bit more paint with my foam brush and I just painted over it the dirt parts. So I found some dried branches from Marshall's and this is the finished look. I absolutely love this vase. It looks like I bought it from McGee & Co. or Home Goods and it was only $3.99. Okay, so our next makeover is this cute little ceramic bowl that I found for $1.99. Let's not forget to take the sticker off because I have done that as well. And we're gonna paint this over. So I'm using the same colors as you can see. I have this thing with brown. I thought these two pieces would go well together wherever I place them, so I wanted them to match. So for this bowl, I had to apply about 3 coats to make sure the entire bowl was completely covered, and also don't forget the inside of the bowl and the bottom as well. So we're gonna just do the same process as we did with the vase. We're gonna take our cup of dirt and we're just gonna apply the dirt all over the bowl to give it the same age look as the vase.
This little bowl is so cute. I think it looked adorable with some pine cones in it, or it could just be just alone with no decoration inside, and it'll look like such a cute statement piece wherever you decide to place it in your home. Never forget to look for vases at your thrift store. Vases are so expensive now in retail stores, and you can find a beautiful glass vase at Savers or Goodwill. Just clean it up and just bring it to your home and decorate it. So I found these really pretty bright burgundy dried leaves from Marshall's, and I just love the way they look in this glass bowl because it really pops. So this is the end of my video, guys. I hope this video inspires you to go to your local thrift store, save some money, grab some pieces, get creative, and decorate your home.